Hi there. Do you get scared to go on camera? Do you get anxiety anytime anybody asks you to do a Zoom or a Skype call and instead you just hide behind audio or email or perhaps even Facebook posts? Or perhaps maybe you've already even recorded a few videos, but you've never actually put them out there because you can't bear to look at yourself or hear yourself and you're scared of being judged. Well, the thing is, if you're not doing video, you're really missing out. In fact, you're actually losing money by doing that. Because video is actually the quickest and easiest way for people to get to know you. It's a really easy way to communicate with people. So just like you and I are doing right now, so you can hear me and see me. And it's really the quickest way for people to know, like, and trust you and for them to know whether they want to hire you there and then or not. Okay. Now the thing is though, you can have all the best, video equipment, visibility strategies, marketing strategies, all those kind of things, but you're never going to implement any of them if you don't know how to present yourself properly, if you don't feel confident about that and you don't feel confident about your image. Now, the thing is that confidence on camera really does come from your image. In fact, I would say everything that you do comes from your image, how you present yourself and how you look and feel. And the thing is that image is not just about, clothes or makeup or vanity. It's nothing to do with that. Image is literally the energy behind everything you do. In fact, image is actually, it determines not only how you show up, but if you show up at all. And if, as I say, if you are not confident with this, you are not going to show up on video and you are going to miss out completely. Okay. And here's the thing, when you are feeling confident, when you do know how to show up and present yourself well, and you show up as your best self, then you're not going to care about being judged. You won't care about how you sound or anything like that, because you know that you're showing up as your best, preeminent, confident self. Okay. And you show up feeling calm and relaxed when you know that you've already presented yourself well, you know that you look and feel good, okay? And the thing is that when you do this, when you show up like this, you don't just become visible, you become unforgettable, okay? So this is exactly what I'm going to teach you how to do in this 90-minute how to look your virtual best on the video masterclass. So you are going to be live with me on Zoom. It's going to be a very small number of participants. We're all going to be able to see and hear each other. And I am going to teach you how to do this, how to show up confidently and powerfully on video. And you'll create your signature look for video. So that's going to be so easy for you every single time you do a video. In fact, you won't be able to wait to do video. You're going to really enjoy it. I am going to give you feedback and personalized attention there and then on this call. So I'm going to tell you give you suggestions what's right for you, what's not right for you. You'll have your makeup products there as well. I will give you the attention there and there on this call. So I want to introduce myself quickly so you know who is teaching you this. So my name is Nolene. I'm a former treasury analyst turned international organic makeup artist. I'm the founder of Natural Beauty Society and the creator of How to Look Your Virtual Best on Zoom. And I teach women how to show up powerfully and confidently on camera using their image. So I would love to teach you at this workshop. I would really love to see you there. Go and check everything out. I really do stand behind everything that I teach you. This is not just like one of the commoditized bloggers on YouTube or anything like that. I am a trained professional. I have worked with thousands of people, men and women actually. I know what works and what doesn't. I work with people of all ages and skin tones, skin types. So I know how to show up powerfully on camera, and this is exactly what I'm going to teach you at this workshop. So I'm really excited to see you there. If you have any questions whatsoever, pop them in the little chat box or send me an email at feelfabulous@noleneslanymakeup.com, and let's even hop on a quick call and we can chat so we can figure out whether this is a good fit for you.